I didn't throw the ball far enough. What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. We did some car archaeology on the Skyline. It was a good time. Found some stuff and cleaned out a ton of standing water in the back. Check it out if you haven't. Anyway, today the plan was to tear out like the entire interior of the Skyline, but given that I spent a good portion of today editing and finishing up yesterday's video, probably won't get all of the interior out. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah. First part acquired. Oh, so awkward. I kind of want to show you guys. The ASD. Man, this I like this thing. I made it a long time ago. I think I made a video about it, but nobody watched it. So, this dude, yeah, I don't know. It's really not that special, but I thought it was cool. It's an ASD pull-up style handbrake, and it fits in the stock location, and the stock boot fits over it, and you can even remove it. These are the two. Oh, sorry. These are the two stock e-brake points, and those guys hold on a mount that holds the ASD on. And apparently I did that without fucking ripping the carpet. Nice. That's neat. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cute. My dog, man, he doesn't stop. Hey-yo. I don't know if you guys remember, but yesterday I couldn't get this off the car, and today it came off the car. Would you believe that? There was a stuck bolt. No more stuck bolt. Wow. Man, that carpet is... Ooh. We're gonna have to make a carpet like Samsquanch made a carpet for the 240. Because that's nasty. Yeah, the carpet back there, that stuff is... Cool thing is, I can take this stuff off now though. All this wish I had a back seat stuff. Fire damage. Let's talk about this. Once upon a time, I was driving at PARC. It was a rainy day. And there's a long left-hand sweeper. If you drive there, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, on this wet day, I slid off the back end of it and kind of went into a mud bank. Well, little did I know that when I did that, my muffler had hit like a rock or maybe just smacked the mud bank enough to actually split the top of my muffler like open, so there's like seams in the tops of mufflers and the bottom where they weld them together, and it split on the top side, and it just started blowing exhaust up at my my back seat, and car started to smell weird. And at some point the like an intercooler pipe or something popped off, and the car like died on track. And I went to the back of the car because it was smoking like a motherfucker, and when we lifted up the seat, it just like started spewing flames at us. It had managed to heat the metal up enough to ignite the foam under my seat. Yeah, it lit the seats on fire. It completely ruined the seats. I do have some pictures from when it happened. I'll ask Ian and James if I can use those pictures because they're gorgeous. But yeah, nah. Anyway, fun story. Kind of not fun. I'm bummed I don't have those back seats because they were the most comfortable back seats ever. You could take a nap in them, and yeah, they were sick. I'll try to find another pair, but it's gonna be a task. Man, I don't want to take it apart. I just want to sit here and look at it. Alrighty, so things look quite a bit more torn apart than they did a little bit ago. I've got a couple of plugs labeled down here. One of them was for like a little light that faces the key, and there's like I'm guessing it's the ringer or something under the kick panel, and I labeled it just like that. I'm gonna do my very best to label everything on this car that isn't super obvious, so that there's no chance of fucking this up, because man, do I love this freaking car. It's so stupid. I definitely didn't get a lot done today, not as much as I had hoped, but I did make some good progress, vacuuming out the car and starting to get into breaking it all down. It was it's a good start. Good start. I spent a lot of time kicking the dirt, trying, like, man, this is really spooky. And it felt pretty good just to have the Skyline in the garage, so taking it apart was not exactly what I was looking to do. But now that it's started, the project's cracked open. Now I've got a good bit of stuff unhooked off, labeled in bags and whatnot. I'm feeling a bit better about where I'm at. Yeah, really excited, really nervous. Sorry I didn't get too much done today, but hey, a video's a video. I'm gonna do my best to get it up for you guys. Yeah, tomorrow I'm hoping to actually get the dashboard out of the car. I'm hoping to actually get this carpet out of the car, and you know, hopefully we can get like a real look at the bare interior of this thing. We got a good chunk of it done. There's honestly probably not a whole lot left. Probably a couple or 3 more hours to get all this stuff out, but it is already 9 o'clock and I gotta edit this video, get it ready for tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. And he just ran away from the ball. Nice move, Wally.